Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about interesting facts of the country Afghanistan. Official name is Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Afghanistan's capital is Kabul. The flag of Afghanistan has black, red and green vertical stripes and a central coat of arms. Afghanistan's total area is 652,230 square kilometers. Population estimated for this country is 38.04 million people. Major religion is Islam. Official languages are Afghan Persian or Dari and Pashto. Afghanistan currency is Afghani. Afghanistan officially became an Islamic Republic on August 19, 1919. National animal snow leopard. Sports Basuzi. Flower tulip. Fruits pomegranate. Tree Afghan pine. Bird golden eagle. Afghanistan is a landlocked country located in southern Asia, bordering China, Iran, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. It is believed that Afghanistan has been inhabited for long as old Stone Age times. Mount Nausa, the tallest mountain at 7,492 meter height. Amu Darya River is the longest river, 2,540 km long. Afghanistan's tallest building is Kabul Tower, 87 meter high. Alexander the Great conquered most of the Afghanistan around 330 BC, where he married Rexoni. Afghanistan was invaded by USSR in 1979 for 10 years. Conflict between various Mujahideen groups and Soviet forces. Afghanistan is the world's largest producer of opium. 90% of the world's heroin is made from opium grown in Afghanistan. Following the USSR withdrawal, Afghanistan was taken over by Taliban and imposed strict Islamic rule. Afghanistan was again invaded in 2001, this time by US-led coalition, following the September 11th attack on the USA. Foreign troops remain in Afghanistan until 2021. Afghanistan is one of the 9 most dangerous countries in the world. Afghanistan has 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, one of which is 65 meter tall minaret belongs to 12th century. Afghanistan's famous Buddhas of Bamiyan stood at 38 meter and 55 meter respectively. This old statue destroyed by Taliban in 2001 tragically. Afghanistan's most famous historic city, Herat. Great Mosque considered one of the Islam's great buildings. The world's first oil painting originated in Afghanistan, dating from 7th century AD. Afghanistan celebrate their New Year Nowruz on 21st March, the first day of spring. One of the most famous image of Afghanistan was this 1985 cover of National Geographic magazine. The image of 12 years old refugee Sarabat Gula. Afghanistan is the home to the endangered snow leopard, living in the mountain landscapes above 3000 meter height. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.